In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Microsoft Teams. To get started, open your Microsoft Teams account and sign in if needed. Once you're inside Teams, head to the specific chat or channel where the file was originally shared. This is important because printing in Teams usually starts by opening the file from the conversation or team space where it lives. When you find the file, click on it to open it. In many cases, the file will not open directly inside Teams itself. Instead, it usually opens through OneDrive or SharePoint, depending on where the file is stored. That's completely normal, so don't worry if the view changes or a new tab opens. After the file opens, give it a moment to load fully. This step matters more than it might seem, because if the document hasn't completely loaded yet, some menu options may not respond properly or may not appear right away. Waiting a few seconds can help everything work more smoothly. Once the file is fully open, look toward the top left area of the screen and click the More Options icon. This is typically shown as 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select Print. At this point, you may see a pop-up message recommending that you download the file for better print quality. That suggestion is helpful, especially if you want the cleanest formatting and best results on paper. Go ahead and click Download, then wait for the download to finish. Depending on your browser and device, the file may appear in your Downloads bar or Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file once it's ready. Now that the downloaded version is open, look to the top right and click the Print icon. This will open your Print dialog box. From here, choose the settings you want, such as your printer, number of copies, page range, orientation, or paper size. Take a quick moment to review everything before printing, especially if the document includes multiple pages or specific formatting. When your settings look right, click Print to send the file to your printer. And that's it. That's how to print a file from Microsoft Teams. If you want the best results, downloading the file before printing is usually the safest option, since it helps preserve quality and formatting. Once you get familiar with this process, printing from shared files in Teams becomes quick and straightforward.